Hello friends, welcome to Dhyan Sagar channel. In this video, we will learn how to write capital English alphabets. You can order your alphabets practice book from the link below. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe now. So, let's begin. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for goat. H for horse. I for insect. J for jar. K for kite. L for leaf. M for monkey. N for nest. O for owl. P for pen. Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for sun. T for train. U for umbrella. V for violin. W for well. X for xylophone. Y for yarn. Z for zebra. Now that you have learned how to write capital English alphabets, you must practice it also. You can order your alphabets practice book from the link below. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe now. Thanks for watching. We will meet in next video.